Okay, let's go to the next exercise, children. Let's say the word for each picture. We want to say the word for each and every picture and write the blend from the box to finish each word. Okay, they have given the first two letter. We want to find out the last two letter from the given option. The option was given here, isn't it? The option was given here. From this option, we want to find the ending blend word from the options. Okay, let's see the first picture. What is this? This is a ship, isn't it? Very good. She is a ship. But what action is happening? This is sinking. Yes, sink, 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 ink. Yes, N-K, sink. This is a correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next picture. What is this? This is this is snail. But what is this? The question mark is asking for this one. You know, what is this? This is a tusk. Tusk. You are hearing a yes sound. So obviously the SK will be common, isn't it? Okay, let's write yes and K, tusk. Okay, let's go to this side. This is a tank. This is a tanker, but they given only a two-letter word. We have to finish that. This is a tank. Tank. T-A, tank. Tank. You are hearing a? Yes, you are hearing a N sound. There are two N options. One is NK and one is a NG, isn't it? But the ending word tank. Tank. Yes, your ending word is K. So the NK will come here. Okay, next look at this picture. She is a girl. Yes, I know she is a girl. What she is doing? Yes, she is jumping. Very good. Jump. Jump. From the jump, the first two letter was given. What is the remaining two letter? Jump. Jump. Yes. Yes. M. P. Jump. P. Okay. Let's go to the next picture. Okay, look at this picture, children. What is this? This is desk. Very good. This is a desk. Desk. Yes, you are hearing a? Yes, you are hearing a which sound? Yes, you are hearing a S-K, desk. Okay, let's look at this picture. This is ice cube, but the ice cube is getting? Yes, the ice cube is getting melt. Melt. L sound. Where is the L? We have to find out the L. Okay, there are two L. One is elf and one is a LT. But melt, the T sound is coming. So we want to put a LT. Melt. Okay, let's go here. What is this? He's a king. You know, he's a king. He has a crown, isn't it? He has a crown. Very good. What is the spelling for king? Key. The spelling for the first two letter was given. We want to find out the last two letter. King. Ing. Ing. King. What is the spelling? Yes, you are getting a N sound as well as a G sound. King. King. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's look at the next picture. This is golf. Having a golf bat, isn't it? Golf bat and ball. Golf. Golf. You're hearing a L sound as well as you're hearing a F sound. So the LF will be come. So let's write L, F, golf. Okay. So sink, S-I-N-K we have written, and tank, T-A-N-K written, and tusk, T-U-S-K. For a jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Desk, D-E-S-K, desk. King, K-I-N-G, king. Melt, M-E-L-T, melt. Golf, G-O-L-F, golf. Okay children, let's move to the next exercise.